Ajay.
And hi, my name is Brianna.
And we are representing Rochelle Middle School.
And we're also from Miss Bell's science class.
This is our roller coaster, BAK.
BAK. It stands for Brianna,
Ajay,
And Courtney.
And now we will introduce our parts of the roller coaster.
This is our slide, which is named after me, Ajay. As the marble travels through our slide, it will enter B loop. As you can see, it's also a 90-degree angle.
As Ajay said, the marble will travel from A slide and enter in B loop. This is B loop. It's also named after me, Brianna, and it's also a 360-degree loop. As the marble travels through B loop, it will enter the opening and slide down, enter to K Hill.
This is K Hill, which is named after me, Courtney. As it travels through the opening from B loop, it picks up more momentum and travels down the hill and enters the mountain.
And now we will demonstrate our roller coaster. Countdown, please.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here it goes. Yay, it worked.
One more time.
Let's get it.
Awesome.
Final round.
It really worked. Good job. And thanks for watching us. Reporting live from Rochelle Middle School. Thanks.